This is the last video of Ho Chi Minh to Phu Quoc series. For today, we started early morning to board the Phu Quoc Rach Gia ferry. This is around 2.5 hours journey from Phu Quoc to Rach Gia. The ride from Rach Gia to Ho Chi Minh City is much better. We cross two main bridges along this road. First one is Vam Cong bridge. This is around 3 kilometers long and 25 meter width and is a cable stayed bridge. This bridge connects two major cities in South Vietnam of Mekong region. Other bridge is Cao Lanh bridge. And this is also a cable stayed bridge and is 2 kilometers long. These two bridges are the key bridges connecting the center of Mekong Delta. After some 150 kilometers of ride, we stopped at a beautiful place for lunch. After lunch, we had a little time to get some good videos around this place. We hit the road post lunch. These are real colors and not edited. Out of the 4 bikes, one was rented and we had to return that bike before 5 p.m. So we continued on the rain.